Hey everyone, it's Scott with Eaton, and today I'm really excited to be able to share with you the newest vehicle build to come out of Eaton Performance Products for 2025, this 2023 Ford F150. Now you can see it's a single cabin, it's a short box, it's got four-wheel drive, and it has a 5.0 Coyote up front. So I think you already know what a lot of that means. We're talking horsepower utilizing legendary Eaton TVS supercharger technology, and we're talking traction utilizing legendary Detroit TrueTrack differential technology. We can't wait to introduce you guys to the partners that we have in this build, from engine to transmission to brakes, suspension, and everything in between to make this thing a true monster at the strip, at the track, or on the street. We hope you guys enjoy this build series. We cannot wait to show you guys the process along with the finished product later on this summer. But for now, let's go get started. We're in the garages here at the Eaton Proving Grounds, ready to tear into the F-150 project. Now before we start, however, we took the truck out to the Proving Grounds to capture some baseline performance data so we knew what we were working with. With 410 pound-feet of torque and 400 horse right from the factory, the truck actually turned in some pretty respectable performance numbers. Utilizing our V-boxes and race logic, we were able to capture 0 to 60 times an average of about 6.1 seconds, and our quarter mile times came in at about 14.5 seconds. So not bad, but not quite what we're looking for. With our plans to put over 800 horsepower to this build, we need to make sure that engine and transmission package can stand up to the abuse that we're going to throw its way. So we're going to go ahead and get started pulling the engine and transmission out of the truck right now, getting them in crates and on their way to Texas for some much needed upgrades. All right, everybody, there you have it. Transmission and engine are out of the F-150 project. They're in their crates waiting for the lids to go on so that way they can hit the door and they can hit the road down to Texas. Now this 10R80 is going to Midnight Performance. Midnight Performance knows these transmissions inside and out, and we're confident that we're going to get a build back that's going to stand up to the abuse that we're going to throw its way while providing that performance and reliability that we're looking for. The engine is going down to Texas Speed and Performance. With their new Gen 4 5.0 liter Coyote long block that we're going to put back in this truck, we know we're going to get the horsepower and the dependability that we're looking for as well. So while these are out, however, we're going to stay here at the shop and we're going to get to work on the axles, differentials, suspension, and other minor things to make sure that we've got a roller ready to drop these back into once they get back from Texas. You don't want to miss it. Stay tuned.